Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a powerful Kyrios feature that will revolutionize the way you handle appointments and organize your time. It's called calendar scheduling, and it's here to make your life easier. Let's get started with calendar scheduling. You have complete control over your bookings and appointments. Whether you want to embed calendars in your website for easy booking, or manually schedule any of your contacts, this tool has got you covered. See how easy it is to embed a calendar on your website. Your clients or customers can book appointments directly, saving you time and effort. One of the best things about calendar scheduling is that it offers unlimited team members, no matter the size of your team, whether you have 1 or 40 members. You can add as many calendars as you need for your business without any additional charges. Adding team members is a breeze. Just invite them to join your calendar scheduling account, and they can start managing their calendars right away. It's that simple. Imagine having all your team calendars in one place, seamlessly working together to keep everyone organized. Calendar scheduling truly brings your team scheduling to the next level. Now, let's talk about automation. Calendar scheduling makes the booking process for your event smooth and hassle-free. You can set up workflows to schedule appointments and follow-ups automatically. It's a game changer for your team and customers alike. Take a look at this. You can automate reminder campaigns that include links to reschedule or cancel appointments. Plus, you can manually or automatically confirm appointments, ensuring that you never miss a beat. And that's a wrap. Calendar scheduling is your ultimate tool for staying on top of appointments and organizing your time effortlessly. Say goodbye to complicated scheduling software and hello to simplicity and control. Give it a try today and let us know how it transforms your workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you.